Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your Samsung Watch supports iPhone pairing. Not every Galaxy model works with iOS, so check compatibility now. Once confirmed, update your iPhone to the latest iOS and download the Samsung Galaxy Watch app from the App Store. Make sure the watch is charged above half and reset or unpaired from previous phones, then enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. These steps remove common blockers and put both devices into a ready state so the pairing flow can start smoothly. Open the Galaxy Watch app and sign into your Samsung account when asked. This enables backups and firmware updates. Once inside, tap to add a new watch and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will search via Bluetooth and display a pairing code. Make sure you accept the permissions the app requests, notifications, Bluetooth access, and location, because they let calls and alerts pass through. When the numeric code appears on both devices, confirm it to establish the secure connection and begin syncing initial settings. Finish by selecting notification preferences, health data permissions, and a watch face. Allow the app to update watch firmware if prompted because updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Then test calls, messages, and notifications so you know features are working. Enable background app refresh and grant notification access for reliability. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices first, then reinstall the Galaxy Watch app. If that does not help, factory reset the watch and attempt pairing again. Verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.